I wonder where her. I'm telling you, she's got eggs somewhere.
Probably right under her, wouldn't you think? I don't see anything right under her though. Does she really think something as big as us is gonna be like rocked by that? Maybe she's like calling for help.
Yeah, she might be laying them too. I wonder what kind of bird it is.
So pretty.
It is.
See, she said, you best leave me alone because I am, you know, not happy today. That's what it's. Oh, and she said she speaks.
Oh,
no
they're
English.
right there. You see them? They're speckled right there.
Where?
Right there, next to her. There's like 3 of them. They're under her left wing. Watch, I'll get her to come.
Oh, I do see it.
Oh, poor mommy bird.
Right under her. She's covering them. Oh yeah.
Ooh, she's coming to get you. Alright, let's leave her alone before she has a fucking shit fit.
She's having a
There's like
BF.
4 of them. That's awesome.
Yeah.